Hello, and welcome to the video walkthrough guide created for Fitchburg State University students completing Turnitin assignments within Blackboard. Turnitin is a platform that automates assignment submissions and runs each submission through an expansive database to analyze its originality. In this tutorial, we will go over how you can access your assignment, view the assignment details, upload your submission, and how to review Turnitin feedback. Let's begin by accessing an assignment through a web browser. Chrome is recommended, but other browsers such as Firefox and Safari are also supported. Always use a web browser to access Turnitin assignments, and not the Blackboard mobile application. The Blackboard mobile app is primarily designed for viewing content and accessing important course information on the go. If you are submitting your assignment via Turnitin in Blackboard, you will not need to create a Turnitin account or log in via Turnitin.com. Instead, you can submit your assignment directly in Blackboard. First, log into your Blackboard using your Fitchburg State University credentials and navigate to the Turnitin assignment in your course. Here I can see the Turnitin logo, which tells me this is a Turnitin assignment. The specific location of your assignment will vary depending on your instructor's course design, but it can typically be found within a content folder over here in the left-hand menu. My Turnitin assignment is located in the Lessons tab, so I will select this folder to open it and then open the Turnitin assignment housed within it. I can open this assignment by selecting View Assignment. Here, I'm navigated to a page that shows me the assignment details. This is called the Submission Inbox. The essential parts of the Submission Inbox include the Submit tab, which is where we will click to upload our submission when we're ready. Next is the Assignment Description. You can click here to expand the text box to make sure you have seen and read all of the assignment instructions. You will also notice the number of parts associated with the assignment. Most assignments will only have one part, but pay attention to the instructions to be sure. Here, you will see the assignment's due date. Your instructor will determine whether submissions past the due date will be allowed. The post date tells you when your instructor's feedback and grade will be released for you to review. Beside this, you will also see the grade total, or total number of points available for this assignment. Now let us take a look at how we can upload our submission. When we are ready to upload, click on the Submit button in the top left corner of the screen. If this is your first time using Turnitin, you will need to accept the license agreement. If you encounter an issue accepting this agreement, I would suggest trying another web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Use the scroll bar on the right side of the pop-up window to scroll through the agreement and select I agree when you are ready. In the submission method, we're going to select File Upload, and then we need to enter a title for our assignment. Next, if applicable, select which part of your assignment this is going to connect with. If you only have one part will only be available to select. Next, choose File to navigate through your computer and find your paper to attach to your assignment. When you are ready, tick the Notice box to acknowledge that this is your own work and accept all responsibility, and click the blue Submit Paper button to upload your work. Here are a few things to consider if you're having trouble submitting your assignment. The maximum file size should not exceed 100 megabytes and should have less than approximately 800 pages. When possible, please try to upload your file as either a Word document or a PDF. This is a digital receipt for your submission. You will not receive an email copy of this receipt, so it's a good idea to take note of the details or print a copy. Next, you can view your submission. Click on the title of your submission to open it in the Turnitin Feedback Studio and to confirm that your document uploaded successfully. One of the key features of Turnitin is the similarity report it will generate for each submission. Depending on your instructor's settings, this report may be available for you to review. This will take approximately 15 to 45 minutes to generate, so you will need to return to the submission inbox later to review the report. In order to view it, click on Match Overview to see matching sources. Here you can see we have 0%, indicating that none of this paper is matching up with any of the papers in the online database. After the post date has passed, you will be able to return to this view to look at any personal feedback or grades entered in by your instructor. Here in the Feedback Studio, you can access inline comments by clicking on the speech bubbles located throughout your paper. If you click the speech bubble all the way to the right of your screen, this will give you the overall feedback entered in by your instructor. If a rubric has been attached to the assignment, you can click to view the rubric and see how you've been graded for each category. If you would like to download a copy of your submission, you can click on this icon here and download a current view or your digital receipt if you should need a copy. This information should help get you started with completing Turnitin assignments within Blackboard. Please feel free to revisit this video at any time. If you have any specific questions related to your assignment, please reach out to your instructor for support.